Good morning to everyone. We have to move the topic of Unit 5 CNC machine tool and part programming. This is very important. This is the topic on manufacturing technology too. CNC machine tool and part programming. Numerical control. The numerical control machine tools. CNC types. Constructional details. Special features. Machining center. Part programming fundamental. CNC. Manual part programming. Micro machining. Wafer machining. Okay, this is the including the syllabus of Unit 5. This is the CNC machine tool and part programming. An introduction to computer numerical control. Introduction. CNC computer numerical control, production of machined part whose production is controlled by a computer. Computer uses a controller to drive the each axis of the machine tool X, Y, Z. Control direction, speed and length of time motor rotates. Introduction. A programmed path is loaded into the computer and then executed. Program consists of numeric point data X, Y, Z along with machine control and functions commands. Numerical control and computer numerical control mean the same. Introduction. A major manufacturing development in past 60 years resulted in new manufacturing techniques, higher production level, higher quality, stabilization of manufacturing cost. Next, evaluation of CNC. Single item produced by craft people, interchangeable part. Eli Whitney, cotton gin. Manual labor was still the most cost-effective method. This is the WW2 manufacturers could not maintain quantity and quality parts. Evaluation of CNC. Machinist could produce superior quality, but not at a high volume that was required. As quantity increased, quality decreased. Quantity increased, quality decreased due to human factor. This is the evaluation of CNC. Evaluation of CNC. ENIAC developed by United States Army Ballistic Research Lab and University of Pennsylvania. First digital computer. Vacuum tube technology. 30,000. Used to calculate artillery table. Programming involved setting hundred of switches and cables. ENIAC. Electronic numerical integrator and computer. This is the ENIAC. This was the ENIAC. CNC and WW2. Need to manufacture large amount of product for the work. Need for quantity and quality. US Air Force set up companies to develop and produce NC system to handle volume and repeatability. Repeatability, the ability to perform the same operation over and over within specific parameter. This is called a repeatability. Another one, specific goals. Increase production, improve quality and accuracy of machined parts, stabilize manufacturing cost, speed up production and assembly operation. NC timeline. This is a numerical control timeline. 1949 first contract award for NC machine. 1951 servo system for machine development. 1952 tap feed machines was created. History. Development of G codes. Punch tape input. Cartesian coordinate system. 1970 development of computer chips. Cheaper processing power. Smaller computer, more reliable. Paper tape control. This is a paper tape control. Strip of paper tape with the holes in it. Machine read a pattern of hole and performing the required operation. Paper tape control, difficult to identify parts of program. The disadvantage of one, difficult to identify parts of program. Program could be quite large, stored on large bulky reels. Fragile could rip easily. CNC. Further developments in the computer allowed it to be used to control the machine instead of paper tape. Okay.